How to turn on or turn off theater mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Modes and Routines. After click on Modes and Routines, scroll down and you will see first option is Theater. Click on Theater mode and click on Start. Next, done. You will see theater mode is, if you want to turn off theater mode, so turn off, you will see theater mode is turn off. If you want to turn on theater mode, so turn on, you will see theater mode is turn on. You will turn on or turn off theater mode from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off theater mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.